ginagawa mo? Face painting. Oh.
And of course, our official photographer, of course, Baby Kurt.
It's my cousin's birthday. It's
7 years old na. Sino si Mariel?
Huh?
Si Mariel?
It's the butterfly.
Butterfly.
Thank you so much, 16. Diretso na tayo sa buffet. Next, table number 4, please. Table number 4. Paki-double check yung mga table numbers, please, in honor. Table number 4, akit sa stage now.
Let's see.
Hello, clown. Hi, clown.
Oh, yun na pala. Butterfly na pala dito. Yan.
Hi, clown.